This venue is absolutely amazing. When I walked in this morning, I thought, wow.
Some of the speakers have been amazing.
I've seen a lot of new products, new solutions. Things are changing every day.
Silicon Valley likes to talk about itself as the future of humanity, but it doesn't matter if you are an executive of a company, you should be a citizen first.
You need to be more secure than other companies. It's a bit like escaping a grizzly bear. You don't have to run fast, you just have to run faster than someone else.
At the end of the day, the whole point of AI is augmenting human capability rather than replacing it.
The companies that think hard about diversity are the ones that are going to be successful in the future because they'll be creating the products which are fit for purpose for everybody.
The biggest benefit is that opportunity to meet with the customers that are from this part of the UK.
It's not just optimizing your profitability and your bottom line. I think you can also use technology to actually be a better corporate citizen also.